Hey everybody, look who's here with me today.
Hello.
Say hi, that's Johnny D.
Hello.
Yes, there's a man behind me, in front of me, to the side of me. Went to the Dollar Tree today, and I'm going to surprise him with everything I got, because most of it is for him.
And you.
But I know what it is, so it's a surprise for you.
True.
Okay,
True.
but it's actually for our entire family, because 2 days ago, Johnny D and our oldest, TJ, went and picked up a camper. I will insert the picture now. Okay, so in order to have a camper, we have to fill it. So I went to the Dollar Tree, and everything I bought at the Dollar Tree, I think if I had to buy it at Walmart, it would have cost me 3 to 5 times more money. So, let's begin. It's going to be huge haul. Huge.
Good job, dear. Good job.
Huge haul. Alright. And not only Dollar Tree, but Walmart. Got these for the girls, for the backyard for this summer. How cute is that, right?
Very nice.
One for each of them. So if they're, even to bring in the camper.
Yeah.
For $1. And it comes with a fork, knife, and spoon. Right? Isn't that neat?
Can't beat that.
Okay. Magic erasers. Right? Did you take all mine from the house already?
TJ did.
Okay. Trying to stick with the bluish theme in the camper.
Okay.
Some new bins. Right?
Nice.
Just food storage. So you stack nice and neat.
So that the mice don't get them.
Yeah, well, John, no mice allowed.
No mice in there now.
No mice allowed. I
Oh,
got
Donna.
you. Because TJ and Donna are going on their first adventure Thursday. So I figured I would get everything that they need. So, look at that. Did you know that Gain has Febreze? Febreze. So your camper will smell nice.
Good.
So I got big bags, little bags. So garbage bags. Garbage bags, yes. Ziploc.
Good.
Okay, so you got an abundance of bags.
Good.
Then I got some wipes so that you can wipe down.
Excellent.
Countertops. Look what I got.
Very cool.
Toothpicks in a holder. So maybe one will go to you and one will stay in the house.
Okay.
Okay? Look at these. $1. You can look at one while I show everybody one. Okay, light it up and show it to them how bright. Hit it twice.
Very bright.
Isn't that twice? Isn't that neat?
Yeah.
Just leave them laying around the camper.
Oh, yeah. Very cool.
Alright, so you got 4 of those.
Got that as a dollar store?
Dollar Tree. You know, I figure cab of the truck. Your truck,
Yeah,
TJ's truck.
Say, need one for the truck.
Cab for the truck, right?
Yeah.
Alright.
Should have got more.
You tell everybody what these are.
Mattress covers. So it keeps the bugs out if there was any. There's no bugs in there though.
John and TJ scrubbed the heck out of it.
Yeah.
So anyways, he was like, I'm going to actually steam the mattresses. They're outside now. But he wanted covers for the mattresses. Then,
That came from the dollar store?
these are I got more of these, the honeysuckle face wipes. I actually fell in love with them. I use them every day. So there's 30 in a pack, so I figure, excuse me, I'm going to go through a pack a month. But Shannon's birthday's coming up this week, Vinny's girl, so one of these is going to go to her.
So keep it separate.
I got more dimensionals. Oh, you want to keep it separate? Yeah, we could do that. Okay, this is my pile. That's your pile. I actually took a bag from my kitchen and filled it with napkins for him. Then I bought, these were at the dollar store, command hooks. You'll know why in a second. That might be Vinny and Shannon. And then I got a rug gripper, just in case. Figured for $1 can't go wrong with that. Like I said, I'm sticking to the blue theme. And today when I got to the Dollar Tree, they had everything ready for summer. Skeeter beater. Look at that. Skeeter beater. That's for you.
Cool. I'll let
Okay.
you know if it works. Hope it does.
Got more toothpicks, but I got these at the Dollar Tree, so extra. Then I grabbed these to hold the paper plates.
Very nice.
And then I got 2 sets of these just to have. Figure, you know, if you use them and you don't want to wash them there, you throw them in a grocery bag and bring it home and wash. I don't think this is going to the camper. I think this is staying at my house. That's going to be from my stockpile. Isn't that cute? Oh, and then when I was at Walmart, I got you that for the camper.
Oh, cool. Thanks. Very nice.
I got this and this at the Dollar Tree, and that's for me to put the manuals of the camper in. So even though that's for you, I want to decorate it. This is my pile. I have to send out Happy Mail this week. In fact, there's lots of Happy Mail going out. This is actually going to go in the binder, and just so that important documents can zip in there. Let's see what else we got you, John. Okay. Everything is for the camper. I got plates, so if you don't want to use the good ones,
That's what we'll use so we can throw it away.
put some towards you. Pile you up in front. Grabbed you a box of tissues
Oh,
for
cool.
the camper.
Need that.
I know you do. And then a sponge,
Very good.
clean one for dishes.
Yep.
Alright, this came from Walmart. These are in the RV section. Did you ever see these?
Yeah.
Okay, so it'll start absorbing any
There's one
stale.
in there now.
Okay, cool. So they're lavender scent. These came from Walmart.
Cool.
And then I grabbed this from Walmart. So, oh, it actually has batteries in it already. Oh, let's see. Figure, you know what? With the camper, you're not going to have too many flashlights.
Hmm.
And this hangs up. Look at that.
Very bright.
How freaking cool is this? How did I turn that on? Oh, look, wait, it's got more at the bottom. Wait. That one, too. So, look, you got a small one, and then you got a big one. And it hangs. Alright,
Very cool.
that works, right?
Good, yeah.
That came from Walmart. I think that was $3. Okay. More Dollar Tree stuff. I grabbed that so that he can have bathroom toiletries in there, and I'll put together a whole container area. Deodorant so that he can leave it in there. And then I figured I would put a first aid kit together. Alcohol. What'd I get? Hydrogen peroxide. Believe it or not, this is for him. Hand cream. Want some?
Not right now, I'm good.
Usually you want it.
I know. After I work on my car, my hands get all chapped.
Never can have enough extension cords. Some manly spray for them. I got another flashlight. In fact, I will get you batteries.
Cool.
Band-aids. And hand sanitizer. Not that I'm a germaphobe. I'm going to save this stuff for my office wall. Let's see what else I got you. Oh, sticking with the blue theme, I got you 3 dish rags.
Very cool.
That's for you. I got you another skeeter beater. Skeeter beater. I didn't even smell them. Oh, you don't like smells.
Not really.
You're not a smelly guy. Alright, what else did I get you? Okay, I grabbed 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6 bins to start organizing stuff so that bugs and things like that don't get it. This came from the Dollar Tree just to start you off.
Cool.
Oh, sorry, baby.
Okay.
Then I got him 2 new pillows.
Yep.
This came from Walmart, part of the Walmart haul.
Beautiful.
Alright, so you got 2 new pillows. Wait, there's more! There's more. Let's see, what else did I get? Trying to stick to the linen theme. So, this way the linen and lavender. This stuff is all from my haul. I got you 2 of those.
You're the best smelling camper around.
This is all-in-one. Hair,
Oh, good.
body, conditioner.
Perfect.
This is for me. I bought you zip ties because you never know.
Yeah.
Grab them a package of zip ties. Figure you're going to put together a little toolbox.
House store?
Yes, sir. Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
Excellent.
This stuff is all... Oh, and I got you another skeeter. Another skeeter.
Oh, you think we're going to get a lot of bugs?
What do you think? And I got AD ointment in case you get a boo-boo. Alright, this stuff is from my haul. Alright, let's see what else we got. I grabbed forks and knives and spoons. Grabbed your toothpaste.
Perfect.
Toothpaste. A little bit. I grabbed some incense, only in case it really doesn't smell good. I grabbed a brush to leave in there.
I don't have any hair.
Yes, you do. Well, no, you don't. I grabbed them cookies. He likes these. And with
Dark
places...
chocolate?
No, I got you regular.
Oh.
John, why did I buy that?
I got suntanned already.
It's not suntan. He got sunburned. Yesterday, metal detecting. So yesterday, here, in our northeast corner of Pennsylvania, it was 77, almost 80 degrees. Today, it is 34, and the fireplace is back on. And I got ibuprofen. Ibuprofen.
I never use it.
Yeah, you just never know. You never know. Let's see, what else I got? No. This is all my stuff. I do have some stuff. Let's see. Oh, here. Sachets. To put in drawers or cabinets.
What is this, the smell?
Yeah. And then I grabbed that for the camper because if you leave them around, don't it deter mice?
What is it?
Dryer sheets.
Oh, I don't know.
I think it does.
Yeah.
Listen, if you have a camper or you go camping, please leave me comments below and give us pointers because this is our first one. This is our first one. And then I grabbed these. Just so that there's a package in like a whole bucket full of dental stuff. Brushing your teeth if somebody shows up and says, I grabbed a thing of baby wipes just to have. Right?
Mm-hmm.
Some more plastic goods. This one's from my house. That's, oh, here. And I started them off on salt and pepper, right, for when you barbecue.
Perfect.
Garlic salt, because garlic salt makes everything taste better.
Mm-hmm.
And then I got him this, because he can't live without it.
Definitely. Dental floss.
The man's best friend. And then I got you some aluminum foil. That's for me. This is for me. Okay, sticking with the blue theme. Bug tents for when you do your food.
I don't think it'll be sitting there that long.
I got another package of magic erasers, but we'll share those.
You can take it. I'm not going to need all that now.
And then to go with the plates, I got matching bowls so that you can have them in there. Nothing breakable. And then I grabbed some witch hazel for his medical bag, medical case. And there is a shower in this camper. I don't know, will you be using that this weekend?
No.
No, okay. So then I grabbed some cups to go with the plates.
It's only going to be gone today.
You're spending 2 nights there.
Oh, one night.
Thursday night and Friday night and coming home Saturday.
Well, maybe.
Okay. And then, look what I got. Is that important?
Yes.
That's important.
Actually, the clickers are. Clickers.
Okay, what if the clicker ran out?
Good to have, yes.
Exactly. And then I grabbed him 2 mitts. Look at those mitts.
Oh, yeah. Very good.
2 mitts for there, because I know they're going to do barbecue stuff. That's for me. And let's see. This is for me. That'll be I'll do Tuesday's haul.
I hope there's enough room in the camper for me after all this goes in there.
Oh, you lucky man. Okay, so at Walmart, all the summertime stuff is already out. So look at this bag. I can't tell. Can you hold that for a second? This is an Ozark bag. I might have to move the camera back. Let's move it up. That's an Ozark bag. That was $5. It's a refrigerating bag. So
Very good.
to put sodas and things in there so that you don't fit in the refrigerator, you can have that. Then I'm coming over. I'm going to use my stool to show you what else. Guys, this was Dollar Tree. They're not that big, but they're really heavy. They're not like the normal ones at Dollar Tree. This one's for my house. You see that? That's for my back door. And then these, I thought would be good for the camper. Feel how heavy those are. And I got 2 of them.
Cool.
They were only $1. So I grabbed those. 1 for me, 2 for you. And then, this was at Walmart. $15. $15. But this is for tonight's dinner. Hold on. But I did buy that for the camper.
Oh, well.
Okay? So that during the time you're not using it, it will stay fresh. I got you those.
Perfect.
So that you don't have to. And then I purchased full size for the bottom bunk. Isn't that a cool color?
Isn't that going to keep me too hot?
It's not thermal. It's not flannel.
Oh, good.
And this is twin size because there's a full size on the bottom and a twin size on the top. And then I did pick up this at Walmart because I figured this will fit really nicely in the drawer.
That's the one they had.
It was, but there was no cover to it.
Right.
You want to keep it covered because you don't want other things. So use it and then I can always refill it.
Okay.
So
Good idea.
That's his haul. The rest of the stuff is for my haul, which I'll probably air on another day. So, John, tell everybody what I told you we were going to name the camper. Listen.
Forever.
Let's spell it.
Number 4.
F-O-U-R.
Oh, I thought you spell.
No, I'm not going to, no.
Ever. E-V-E-R.
Right, because it's Donna, John, TJ, and Vinny. Forever. That was the name of our boat when we lived on Long Island. Yeah. It said Forever. We purchased it with that name on it, and then we're like, we're keeping the name of that boat. And now we actually have something that we can name again. Yeah. And the camper is going to be called Forever. And that's our haul. And then I'll include a couple of pictures of the camper. And like I said, if you're a camper person, you go camping, you trailer things, you drive them, give me a shout out. Let me know. I'd love to hear your stories.
Yeah, if you have any good places to go.
Okay. Alright guys, thanks for watching. Welcome Johnny D, because I'm going to torture him. I'm going to make him come into these videos a little bit more. And have a great day. See you real soon. Bye.
Take care. Bye.